Good morning, good afternoon, or just a good day to you guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is Saturday, and as usual, here are my weekly results and summary. This week was tough as well, almost like previous one, because I was going to see some drop down on gold, and obviously it didn't happen. Indeed, I was disappointed because I hate such things when everything is showing one direction and they are pushing into the another direction. But as we all know, that is how the market works. Apparently, if it would be the opposite, then everybody will be winning all the time, which they never will let to become true for understandable reasons. Okay, let's get back to my results. Overall, I started the week with $543 and due to unexpected market direction was forced to add twice to this account. First time $500 and then $1,000. That is already second week. I am doing the same thing, adding to the account just to keep my trades alive. But frankly, I don't like it at all, and moreover, starting from the next week, I'm going to change my approach and stop doing this. Even though it's working and I'm still closing weeks in profit, but that causes a lot of stress, bad mood, anxiety, and so on. However, I managed to close $1,000 and some change in plus. Usually, when I have such volatile weeks, I'm withdrawing all my profit as those money came too hard to leave them. Now, what about trades? Same as previous week, there were too many of them and they were too chaotic to be analyzed. But to make the long story short, I will say that like famous Pareto rule is teaching us, 20% of our actions are bringing 80% of your results. Same with my trades, most of them are break evens or small profits, which are covering main losses, and then just couple positions which are making real difference and bring you into plus. And in the end, just few words about gold chart and about what is going on. So, in spite of the fact that gold chart is looking way overbought in all higher time frames starting from H4 and higher up to weekly, it's still not going to fall apparently. And the reason for that is huge uncertainty among investors and banks around US and Trump's political moves related to Canada, China, Mexico. Also, of course, war in Ukraine and debates around that in higher political levels, and probably a bunch of other factors which are fueling appetite on gold. That's why a lot of respectful analytics around the globe are predicting gold even higher, up to $3,000 per ounce in the nearest future. Me myself treat this quite suspicious as I believe that technicals were, are and will be respected by the price of any liquid asset, especially gold, which means that at some point price will fall and fall heavily regardless of the reason. But the only problem is that you never can say exactly when it's gonna happen. In conclusion, I'm still bearish on gold, but this time I will not give any forecasts as chart ended the week quite ambiguous and I'm going to mainly scalp the whole next week unless there will be and unless there will appear some really tasty setup. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe if you want to follow my trading story and see you in the next one.